All right, so this is for Ken Sprouse.
That's right, Birdman. What's it been? April?
Yeah, April 2nd was our fly-in.
Then I got sick, so that's a month and a half. So I had it really, like 2 weeks in, I had it pretty much done, but got sick, had to go to the hospital, remove some parts.
Yep.
Trying to gain weight, but it's not working.
So
Anyway, there it is.
Yeah, this is it. Ready to go. Maiden flight. Remaiden. Yep. So we're ready to do this, right?
You ready?
You ready? You ready?
I don't know.
Well,
Find out.
All right. Oh, here we go. Oh yeah, baby. What I'm talking about. Who says turds don't fly?
Pigs.
Damn, boy. How's it feel trim-wise? What are you doing?
Oh, it's a little off, but it's heavy. Fly's stable.
It looks very stable.
Okay guys, so in case you didn't know the story behind this GeeBee, this plane was Ken Sprouse's airplane. At our last fly-in, Ken came up to me and said, "Hey, would you like to have this plane? I just don't really want to put it back in my trailer and it needs a lot of work." I said, "No, it doesn't do it for me, but I know somebody that might want it." Hey Wayne, come here." Wayne walks over. "Yeah, what's up?" I said, "You want a free airplane?" He was like, "Oh yeah." "Oh, that airplane. Well, sure, I'll take it." And with some servos, a motor, an ESC, here you go, guys. Anything's possible, and this thing flies great. Thanks to Ken Sprouse, aka the Birdman, for this awesome plane.
Sounds good.
And all the fun Wayne's having.
A little bit lower pass this time.
Yeah, so it just goes to show you guys that with a little TLC, you can definitely polish an airplane and make it fly and have something else in your fleet that, you know, everybody else thinks, well, might not be what they want. But hey, when you see it flying, it really looks good in the air. I kind of hate now that I didn't take it. But then again, Wayne can just about fix anything, I believe. Good going, Wayne. Looking good, man. And really enjoyed seeing you fly this plane.
Dude, ain't nothing wrong with that.
Better than I expected.
I thought it went great, man.
It lifted off just like...
It sure did. It looked very scale, very real.
Isn't something supposed to go wrong?
Very scale.
You can look up now. You can look up now. Did you really? I didn't see no middle finger. I didn't see nothing.